हाय दोस्तों, मैं आपको आज गोदरेज इयॉन की 28 लीटर कन्वेक्शन माइक्रोवेव की अनबॉक्सिंग करके दिखाऊंगा, जिसका मॉडल नंबर GME528CF1PM। इस बॉक्स के अंदर 1 माइक्रोवेव, 1 ग्रिल स्टैंड, 1 ग्लास channel, 1 roller ring and 1 user manual with warranty card. The maximum retail price of this product is 15,663 only, and this product is delivered from Amazon, and the cash memo is, the price of the cash memo is 9,299 only. All of this product, the GME528CF1PM, and this is the microweave, the nice floral design in front with 255 auto cook recipe, and you can install this app from Google Play for easy cooking, Insta safe applications, and nice features. This is the oil-free convection microweave. It is the keypad control panels of the microweave. This is the inner portions. With this microwave, you can get this grill rack, glass channel with rolling ring. There is no baking tray and other utensils of this microwave. This 28 liter the recipe is here. The 255 auto cook recipe. You can choose from here the states is directed, and this is the restrictions. What can you do, what can you not do for microwave using, the utensils, what utensils you can use. This is Godrej customer care number. Before delivery of the product, you can call this number for installations. I ordered from Amazon. Today the delivery of this product, and after 1 hour the installations man install this microwave. And this is the back side. You can see. You can see the back portion of this microwave. This is the power consumptions of this microwave showing here. This is good looking, it's very stylish looking microwave with easily cook recipes using the microwave to make the water hot. First, open the door. Remove the grill racks. Close the door and choose the microwave switch and set time. And then start. You can see the microwave rotator is rotating now. You can see this. time is showing here. And all type of food you can prepare from this microwave. Paneer, curd, ghee, and healthy fermentations. You can make idli, dosa, bread batter, etc. And this is it. Tatka features, specially made by Godrej. The complete हो गया. You can see the vapor of the water. The water is completely hot. See the vapor. The water is completely hot. Now I close the door. I can see this hot water within 1 minute. Thanks dosto. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. You can like and subscribe our channel for good and next video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.